Good morning to all. Next topic is operators. So what is operator? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Python divides the operators in the following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. So the first one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. So the operators are plus, minus, star, slash, percentage symbol, exponent, double star, and double slash. So the first one is used for addition, second one subtraction, multiplication, division, modular symbol, that is returns the remainder value, exponentiation, and floor division. And the next one is assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. So the operators are, first commonly used assignment operator is equal to assign the value to the corresponding variable. First one is equal to, x is equal to 5. Second one plus equal to, that is the example x plus equal to 3. It is equivalent to x is equal to x plus 3. So the plus equal to is commonly used shorthand assignment operator, and minus equal to. So the example is x minus equal to 3. So it is equivalent to x is equal to x minus 3. Star equal to, slash equal to, percentage, that is modulus equal to, floor division equal to, exponentiation equal to, ampersand equal to, that is bitwise and, bitwise or, exponentiation, right shift operator and left shift operator. These are the assignment operator. So this type of assignment operators are otherwise called as shorthand assignment operators. And the next one is comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. So the comparison operator produces the logical values, either true value or the false value. So the corresponding operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So the examples are x equal to y, x not equal to y, x greater than equal to y, x less than equal to y, x greater than or equal to y, x less than or equal to y. So all these expressions are produces the logical values, that is the Boolean values, either true value or the false values. And the next one is logical operators. So the logical operators are used to combine conditional statements, to combine more than one relational expressions, to combine two or more relational expressions. So this type of operators also produces either true value or the false value. So the logical operators are and, or, and not. So the first one is and. So it returns true if both the expressions or both the statements also are also true. So one example, x less than 5 and x less than 10. So this condition is both the conditions are true, then only it produces the true value. And the next one is or operator. So it returns true if any one of the expression is true, then only it produces the true value. So all the expressions are false, then only it produces the false value. And the third one is not. So reverse the result. So suppose you give the true value to true expression, then only it produces the false value. Otherwise it produces the true value. And the next one is identity operator. So the identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. Not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. First operator is yes, second one is not. is and is not. So the first operator, is operator, returns true if both variables are the same object. Both the variables are the same object. Example, x is y. So x and y are same object, then only it produces the true. Otherwise it produces false. Is not returns true if both variables are not the same object. X and y are different objects, then only it produces the true value. And the next one, membership operator. So the membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. So the operators are in and not in. So in means, so in returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. So the example is x in y and not in. Returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. Example, x not in y. And the next one, that is bitwise operator. So the bitwise operators are to compare the binary numbers. Bitwise operators are mainly used to compare the binary numbers. So the operators are AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift and right shift operator. Ampersand, pipeline symbol, exponentiation cap symbol, tilde symbol not, less than and greater than. So the first one sets each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. So second one are set each bit to 1 if one of two bit is 1. Now XOR means sets each bit to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. Next one inverts all the bits, that is not. Left shift by pushing zeros from the right and let the leftmost bit fall off. Sign right shift means shift right by pushing copies of the leftmost bit in from the left and let the rightmost bits fall off. And bitwise AND operator, one example, a value is equal to 0. So the bitwise operators are mainly used for the binary numbers. So first convert the decimal value into binary. So the value 10, that is 10 equivalent binary form is 1010 and b is equal to 4. Its binary form is 0100. So a and b. So first compare first bits 0 and 0. So a and b, that is 0. 1 and 0, that is 0. 0 and 1, that is 0. 1 and 0, that is 0. So the decimal value is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Corresponding decimal equivalent value is 0. Okay. Because bitwise AND operator, both the bits are 1, then only it produces 1. Otherwise it produces 0. And bitwise are same example, that is 1010, 0, 1, 0, 0. First compare first digit 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 0, 1. 0 and 1, 1. 1 and 0, 1. So its equivalent corresponding decimal value is 14. Because the bitwise OR operator, any one of the bit is 1, then it produces 1. So all the bits are 0, then only it produces 0. Otherwise it produces 1. Okay. And bitwise NOT operator, reverse of that. So 1010, not of 1010. So 0 means 1. 1 means 0. 0 means 1. Okay. And the next one, XOR operator. So odd number of ones means 1. Otherwise it is 0. All the bits are 1. Then it produces 0. Any one of the bit is 1, it produces 1. So example 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1. That is bitwise XOR operator. Right shift operator, shift to one position right, and left shift operator and bitwise left operator. These are about operators. So the operators are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, bitwise operator. Arithmetic operators, plus, minus, star, slash, modular symbol, exponentiation, floor division are the arithmetic operators. Assignment operator, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, etc. These are the assignment operator. Comparison operator, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and greater than are the comparison operator. Logical operators, and, or, and, not are the logical operators. Identity operator, is and not is. And membership operator, in and not in. Bitwise operator, bitwise and, or, XOR, exponentiation are the bitwise operators. Okay. These are about operators. Thank you.